This industrial incident demonstrates the catastrophic result of vapor ignition within a confined space. The metal drum acted as a combustion chamber where grinder sparks provided the activation energy for a volatile vapor-air mixture. As internal pressure exceeded the metal's yield strength, the lid was launched at high velocity. Even trace amounts of residual fuel can reach the lower explosive limit LEL, and since these vapors are often heavier than air, they remain trapped at the bottom of empty drums. Performing unauthorized hot work without a permit or atmospheric testing is a severe safety breach. To mitigate risks, standard operating procedures SOPs mandate purging with inert gas, mechanical ventilation, and gas detection to ensure LEL reading. Prioritizing cold cutting methods and maintaining a safe blast radius are essential to prevent such explosions. This industrial safety incident highlights critical failures in rigging and operational oversight. The heavy steel beam was improperly secured with insufficient pick points, causing a center of gravity shift during transit that led to a catastrophic slip. Despite a low fall height, the kinetic energy EKMIV created an impact force far exceeding the protection of standard safety gear. The operator violated core protocols by moving the load over an active workstation, while the ground worker lacked situational awareness due to task fixation. To prevent such events, management must enforce strict exclusion zones, utilize tag lines for stability, and ensure load path superiority. Ultimately, safety relies on eliminating the normalization of deviance and adhering to the rule. Never stand under a suspended load. This heavy truck cabin collapse illustrates a critical failure in mechanical redundancy and hazard recognition. The incident occurred because the primary hydraulic support failed while a mandatory mechanical safety prop or locking pin was either absent or improperly engaged. In such maintenance environments, hydraulics are never considered a secondary safety measure. The worker was positioned within a high-risk pinch point and, due to task fixation, failed to verify the load's stability. This near miss reveals a systemic culture of cutting corners and a lack of site deconfliction, as nearby machinery vibrations may have contributed to the collapse. To prevent recurrence, facilities must enforce non-negotiable safety locks, conduct rigorous retraining on pinch point awareness, and ensure that personal protective equipment is never used as a substitute for engineering controls. Total safety requires absolute adherence to the rule. Never enter a danger zone unless the load is mechanically secured.